Good evening. Hope everybody's day is amazing and blessed, and we're doing the best we can every day we can. Today's topic is no matter the effort, the engine never begins or never starts. But that's basically how my day was. I attempted all day to do something throughout the day. I got some things done, but I didn't get everything done. Hence, I'm doing this video so late. Some days are like that. Some days when you're literally trying to get stuff done, you just cannot because your body won't allow you. And today was my day of that experience. And I read an article before that it was saying like sometimes you feel lazy, but it's just you are burned out completely. So your efforts, no matter what you're mentally thinking to do, you just cannot get anything done. You got to go through these days. Try not to be depressed about it, or try not to feel bad about it. It's just that you're literally burned out when you have to like kind of just rest and then get started again either later in the day, in the evening, or get started again tomorrow. Not every day is going to be the same. Not every day you're going to be able to check off your checklist. That it just happens. Sometimes you have a list of things you got to get done, and it does not get done that day. But that does not mean you can't get something done or something small or minute done, and then tomorrow is another day. Just try to rest on the days that you can in order to get your full effort the following day, because it's a grind. It's an everyday grind. Whether you have full-time work, you have people that have full-time work, they're full-time moms and dads. They're going to school full-time. They got a small business. They're entrepreneurs. They go to the gym. They do it. It's a lot. So you're beating down yourself all day, every day. So some days it's okay to rest. So if the engine does not start today, it is okay. Just oil it up, gas it up, and then get at it tomorrow. I hope this was some value to your life. Show some love to the most best #1 erotica, addictive erotica on the planet, the talk of the town, God, Sex, and Slavery, the slave master's wife. Make sure y'all go pick it up. Barnes & Noble, Amazon Bookstore, We Buy Black. Continue on. You will have everything you deserve, and what you deserve is what you work for. So press on. Godspeed.